Okay, let's look at number 5. First of all, where's our graph gonna start? We always put our pencil at what? At 0. Okay, what does the plus 4 do? We go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what does the plus 3 do? Left 3. 1, 2, 3. That's our first point. Okay, how do we find our second set of points? We go up how many and over how many? Up 1, over 1. And then what? Up 4 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. Okay, what is the vertex? Negative 3, 4. Good. What is the axis of symmetry? Negative 3. The x-intercepts, does it cross the x line? No. So you don't write 0 because 0 means it touches at 0. You're going to write none. Does this have a min or a max? A min. Okay, if you have the notes to shift up, left, right, it's really not that bad. Okay? Like most problems should take you, I would say, a minute or less. Okay, if it's taking you more than that, then you need to use the notes. Okay, so 7, where does it start? It starts at 0. Okay, what's this minus 4 do? We go down 4. So that puts us here. What's the plus 4 do? Left 4. Here's our first dot. How do we find second dot? Up 1 over 1. Okay, how do we find our third set of dots? Up 4 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. Okay, what is the vertex? Negative 4, negative 4. This end. I have no idea. Okay. Okay, axis of symmetry, what is it? Negative 4. X-intercepts. Negative 2 slash negative 6. Good. Does this have a min or a max? Min. Okay, 9. What's the plus 2 do? Up 2. Minus 1. Right 1. Okay, and then we're going to go up 1 over 1. And up 4 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. Okay, what is the vertex? 1, 2, good. Axis of symmetry. 1. X-intercepts. None. Some of you guys are going to be tempted to say, what? What would somebody possibly say? 0 or 3. A lot of you guys will pick 3. Okay, that's the Y. Okay, make sure that you're using the X line. So it's none. Min or max? Min. I think most of them are going to be a min today. Can I scroll?
Yep.
11. What's that plus 4 do? Up 4. Plus 2 on the inside. Left 2. Good. Okay, and then you're going to go up 1 over 1. And up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. What is the vertex? Negative 2, 4. Good. Okay, make sure you're using a comma in parentheses. Okay, it's a coordinate. You need to make sure that you're using that. Axis of symmetry. Negative 2. X-intercepts. None. Min or max? Min. Okay, 13. What's that minus 2 do? Okay, it's going to go down 2 and right 2. Okay, make sure that you're going down whole boxes. See how this says like 0.5 and then 1? Okay, it's 2. So 1, 2 over 2. We're going to go up 1 over 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. Okay, if you're working ahead, stop so we can talk about something real quick. Okay, first of all, what is the vertex? Let's start there. 2, negative 2. Axis of symmetry. 2. Okay, here's where you get some discrepancy. What are the x-intercepts? There is some. Where does it cross the x line? Okay, as long as you say somewhere between, I think, 0 and 1, or 0 or 1, I'm okay with. Okay, because mine's right here. But look at wherever yours is at. Yours might be on the 1 or it might be on the 0. Okay, so as long as you say somewhere in between that, okay, but if you pick 100, is that right? No. Okay, so it should be something that's close. Okay, same thing on the other side because there's another one right here. As long as you pick somewhere between 3 and 4, I'm okay. So maybe you said 3.2, maybe you said 3.5, 3.1, maybe you just said 3. I'm okay with that. Okay, but we cannot put none because there are some. Okay, so I'm gonna say 0.5 and maybe 3.2. Okay, you can put whatever you want to, huh? Did you? That's weird. Like there's a bazillion numbers pick. I picked the same ones. Okay, min or max? Min. Okay, sometimes they're going to cross that x-intercept line very nicely, and sometimes they're going to cross kind of crappy like that. Okay, so just don't put none. Put something that makes sense. Okay, last one. What does the 3 do? Up 3. The minus 2. Left 2. Just kidding. Right 2. Okay, then we go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. Okay, the vertex. 2, 3. Okay, for some of you guys that struggle with the vertex, if you look up here, okay, the inside, this is our vertex. See how they're the same numbers? Okay, but the only crappy part is you have to change the inside sign. So see how this is negative 2 and our vertex is really a positive 2, but then the 3 is positive. So if you struggle with graphing, because I know that some of you guys like hate graphing, you probably struggle with graphing, you can pick it out of this and not even have to look at the graph. Okay, but you do the opposite and then you keep it the same. Okay, so axis of symmetry is going to be 2. Our x-intercepts is going to be none, and it's going to have a min. Okay, you guys only have 7 of them to do. Okay, get them done and then put it in the box back there.